Most people online are drowning in business ideas, side hustles, SaaS ideas, agency ideas, AI tools. There's more content than ever, but almost nobody knows which ideas are actually worth starting. So instead of adding to the noise, I decided to do something different. I took a list of 627 real business ideas and I fed all of them into an AI system I built. Then I told it to score every idea based on what actually matters in real life. Low startup cost, high leverage, solo founder friendly, recession resistance, AI compatibility, and scalability. After that, I had the AI rank everything, pull out patterns, and surface the ideas that have the highest chance of succeeding for a solo creator. In this video, I'm going to show you what it found and walk you through 12 of the strongest business ideas that came out of that entire process. My goal is simple: to help you stop spinning and finally pick an aligned, profitable business to build. And at the end of the video, you can download the full AI-ranked database of all 627 ideas, completely free, with summaries, ratings, first steps, recommended tools, AI amplification notes, and more. Before we jump into the winners, let me give you a little context on why I'm doing this and why I built this channel. AI Business Architect. I've been an entrepreneur for about 10 years. I've had failures, reinventions, a few wins, and more than a few lessons. And one thing I've learned the hard way is that chasing random business ideas is one of the fastest ways to burn yourself out. The turning point for me came when I stopped forcing things and started building aligned systems instead. Most recently, I built a real SaaS product, proofyouwerefirst.com, in about 3 months using AI as my main leverage. That experience gave me something rare: clarity, creative freedom, and proof that you can build something meaningful without chaos. So I created AI Business Architect to help you cut through the noise, use AI intelligently, and design a business that actually fits who you are, with clarity, creativity, and calm execution. The actual spark for this whole experiment came from a pretty normal moment. Recently, I found myself with more time, focus, and energy than I've had in a long time. So I was scrolling through Instagram, watching channels that share one business idea after another. As I kept scrolling, I noticed the same feeling I think a lot of people have. There are endless ideas, but no clear way to know which ones are actually worth our time, energy, or money. That's when I had the thought, instead of guessing, why not use AI to do the heavy lifting? What if I could feed hundreds of these ideas into a system and ask, which of these are truly good investments, especially the ones that can scale exponentially with AI? That question is what created this video and this entire analysis. Now let me show you how I used that approach to analyze these 627 business ideas. I started with a raw JSON file full of business plans, different categories, different models, and different levels of seriousness. I didn't just skim them. I used an AI coding agent to turn them into a fully structured database with summaries, categories, ratings, red flags, first steps, and AI amplification notes for each idea. Once everything was enriched and scored, I sorted the entire list from highest to lowest and pulled out the top 50. From that group, I hand-selected the 12 ideas that are realistic for one person, low cost, high leverage, and deeply compatible with AI. The first idea is an AI-powered niche newsletter. This is a daily or weekly briefing that keeps a specific group of people updated on something that matters. Newsletters are simple to start, low cost, and great for building trust. AI helps you gather the news, summarize it in your tone, and design the issues. If you want to try this, pick a niche, draft 7 issues with AI, and start publishing. The second idea is a YouTube automation channel around AI or tech updates. AI is moving insanely fast, and most people feel like they're falling behind. A channel that gives them the last 24 hours in AI becomes instantly valuable. AI can write the scripts, generate the B-roll, and help you edit. Choose a simple format and post consistently. The demand is already there. The third idea is selling digital products for AI users. This could be prompt packs, templates, automation scripts, or workflows. Digital products scale beautifully. You build once and sell many times. AI helps you create them faster, write the landing pages, and test new versions. Pick one audience, make 3 solid products, and launch. The fourth idea is a creator idea research engine. This is similar to what I did with the 627 ideas. You take someone's messy idea list and use AI to organize, score, and refine it. People love clarity, and most creators are overloaded. Package this as a simple service and let AI do the heavy lifting. The fifth idea is micro courses powered by AI. Short, focused, 1 hour courses on a single topic. People don't want 20-hour mega courses anymore. They want something clean and digestible. AI helps you outline, script, design visuals, and package everything. Pick a niche you understand, create a 1 hour course, and publish it. The sixth idea is an AI-driven personal branding studio. Most creators don't know how to articulate their brand. You can use AI to generate voice guidelines, color palettes, content templates, and posting strategies. Create a case study for yourself, turn it into a package, and you're ready. The seventh idea is building SEO optimized content sites with AI. Search traffic is still underrated, and blogs compound over time. AI helps with keyword research, outlines, drafting, and internal linking. Pick a niche, publish 20 solid posts, and let it grow. The eighth idea is AI-generated children's books. You can use AI to write stories, generate illustrations, and format pages. Parents always want new content for their kids, and print on demand makes it easy to test. Write a few stories, create the art, and upload to Amazon KDP. The ninth idea is an AI-based coaching assistant. You don't have to be a coach. You build tools that help people track habits, reflect, and stay accountable. I can generate prompts, summarize progress, and suggest next steps. Pick one outcome, like focus or clarity, and build a simple system in Notion or on the web. The 10th idea is an AI-powered business explainer channel. People love understanding how businesses actually work. AI helps you research companies, summarize articles, and write scripts. Pick a niche, break down a few business models, and upload. The 11th idea is an AI-assisted podcast clipping agency. Creators want repurposed clips, but don't have time to do it themselves. AI tools can find highlights, caption clips, and format them for social. Offer a few free trial clips and convert clients from there. And the 12th idea is digital minimalism and focus training using AI tools. People are overwhelmed and want calmer, more focused lives. AI can help track habits, generate personalized plans, and support consistency. Build a simple system and offer it as a digital focus lab. Those are 12 of the highest leverage, AI-friendly, solo-friendly ideas that came out of this 627 idea experiment. If you want to explore the full list, including the top 50 ideas and the complete ranked database, I linked it in the description. It's completely free, and it might save you months of trial and error. This channel, AI Business Architect, is just the beginning of what I want to build here. If you want a channel that cuts through the noise, gives you clear thinking, and shows you how to use AI to build a business that actually fits your life, subscribe. Not for hype, not for trends, but for clarity and direction. And in the comments, tell me, which business idea are you most curious about right now? I'd love to build the next video around what you want to understand more deeply. Thanks for watching, and welcome to AI Business Architect.